The hippopotamus hippopotamuses, also shortened to hippo, PL, hippos, further qualified as the common hippopotamus, Nile hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus, is a large semi-aquatic mammal native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of only two extant species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus Choropsis liberiensis or Hexaprododon liberiensis. Its name comes from the ancient Greek for river horse, pi Greek letter omicron pyotamus. After elephants and rhinoceroses, the hippopotamus is the next largest land mammal. It is also the largest extant land artiodactyl. Despite their physical resemblance to pigs and other terrestrial even-toed ungulates, the closest living relatives of the hippopotamids are cetaceans, whales, dolphins, porpoises, etc., from which they diverged about 55 million years ago. Hippos are recognizable for their barrel-shaped torsos, wide-opening mouths with large canine tusks, nearly hairless bodies, pillar-like legs, and large size. Adults average 1,500 kilograms, 3,300 lb, for bulls, males, and 1,300 kilograms, 2,900 lb, for cows, females. Despite its stocky shape and short legs, it is capable of running 30 km/h, 19 miles per hour, over short distances. Hippos inhabit rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps. Territorial bulls each preside over a stretch of water, and a group of 5 to 30 cows and calves. Mating and birth both occur in the water. During the day, hippos remain cool by staying in water or mud, emerging at dusk to graze on grasses. While hippos rest near each other in the water, grazing is a solitary activity, and hippos typically do not display territorial behavior on land. Hippos are among the most dangerous animals in the world due to their aggressive and unpredictable nature. They are threatened by habitat loss and poaching for their meat and ivory canine teeth. Hippos have barrel-shaped bodies with short tails and legs, and an hourglass-shaped skull with a long snout. 19 Their skeletal structures are graviportal, adapted to carrying their enormous weight. 8 And their dense bones and low center of gravity allows them to sink and move along the bottom of the water. Hippopotamuses have small legs, relative to other megafauna, because the water in which they live reduces the weight burden. The toes are webbed and the pelvis rests at an angle of 45 degrees. 9 Though chubby-looking, hippos have little fat. The eyes, ears, and nostrils of hippos are placed high on the roof of their skulls. This allows these organs to remain above the surface while the rest of the body is submerged. 259 The nostrils and ears can close when underwater, while nictitating membranes cover the eyes. 116 The vocal folds of the hippo are more horizontally positioned, much like cetaceans. Underneath are throat tissues, where vibrations are transmitted to produce